The global energy crisis is humanity's most pressing challenge. Skyrocketing fuel prices and ever-growing demand are just part of the issue. Recent times have exposed the risk of depending on overly concentrated national grids. Whether triggered by conflict, natural disaster, or a simple cyber attack, the disruption of a single power plant can cascade into catastrophic shutdowns of large populations, risking lives and crippling economies. This outdated model of massive central power plants also contributes to a global power loss in transmission of an unbelievable 10%. Current green energy technologies do not provide a complete solution. They require large areas that are simply unavailable in urban environments, or the usage of far-out wind corridors that negatively impacts nature and landscape. And that's where we come in.
Hi, I'm Yusir. And I'm Jonathan. We are the creators behind Global Turbulence, GT, where we specialize in designing simple yet ingenious mechanical devices capable of capturing untapped wind energy in urban environment, converting it into readily available electricity. Our technology is integrated into existing urban structures such as fences, streetlight poles, traffic signs, trees, and even buildings. By harnessing the wind impacting these objects, we efficiently generate electricity.
You will eventually rotate a generator when you harvest electricity from the wind. This process requires stable and continuous motion to be created, and that's why conventional turbine installations prefer high towers and remote wind corridors to harvest that steady wind. We have discovered a genius method to normalize and harvest the much more common turbulent wind that is abundant at ground levels and in obstructed environments like cities. And we are doing so by utilizing existing structures at the wind that impacts them. These structures maintain their original purpose and become active standalone generation points that can also link together to form microgrids inside the habitat environment. This untapped wind potential is substantial. The technology is cheap, practically undetectable, bladeless, great as a backup, and has some amazing additional values. In a case study, our latest patent-protected system variation was implemented into the outer glass shell of a skyscraper. We've learned that if it covered just two sides of that building, it would have significantly eased the structural load the wind imposed on it. Meanwhile, it would generate enough electricity to power the entire utilities of the building, such as elevators, lights, airflow systems, and so on. We also save a lot of money by not needing to design or manufacture the sale portion of our systems, so the ROI is really magnificent.
We would be delighted to showcase more of our innovations and to discuss potential collaborations. Thank you very much.